Welcome back to Reels to Meal. Today we are making white chocolate truffle. These are perfect for this holiday season and easy to make. For this we require 200 grams of white chocolate. To that I am adding 100 ml of fresh cream, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla bean paste, or you can add vanilla essence 1 teaspoon. I am melting this mixture on a double boiler. Slowly melt the chocolate till it's nice and smooth. Our chocolate mixture is nicely melted. To this I am adding 50 grams of unsalted pistachio which are finely chopped, 50 grams of dried cranberries which are finely chopped, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, and give this a nice mix. All the ingredients are nicely combined. We will plastic wrap this and we will refrigerate it for minimum of 4 hours, or you can also keep it overnight. After 4 to 5 hours, let's shape our mixture into truffle. Take a tablespoon of mixture in your hand and with the help of your palm, lightly press it and roll it into a small ball. Do not apply too much of pressure or the mixture will start to melt. Shape the mixture into round balls and coat it with some desiccated coconut or dry coconut powder. This recipe is very easy to make and takes only few ingredients, which is perfect for holiday season. Shape all your mixture into truffle and coat them with coconut. You can store these truffles for 7 to 8 days in the refrigerator, or you can freeze them up to a month. Shape all your mixture into round balls and coat them with some coconut powder. If you don't like coconut powder, you can also coat them with some cocoa powder, which will give a nice bitter taste to it. And there you have it, guys. White chocolate truffle are ready to serve. Please do try this quick and easy truffle recipe at home this holiday season.
Thank you for watching Reels to Meals. Please do like, share and subscribe. Happy holidays to all.